Bitcoin money cost remained at $133.82 a coin. The present range, $133.35. $134.93 in a genuinely huge way. Yesterday's nearby, $133.40. The change, plus 0.42, plus 0.31%, which generally is genuinely huge. Opposite rates, United States dollars to BCH in an essentially huge way. Bitcoin money value expectation for later week and month. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, February 20. Least cost $129. Most certainly greatest $149, and by the day's end cost $139 a coin in an extremely huge manner. BCH to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, February 21. Genuinely least cost $125. Especially most extreme $143, and by the day's end cost $134 a coin. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Really least cost $132, for the most part greatest $152, and toward the day's end cost $142 a coin, or so they in every practical sense thought. BCH to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, February 23. Truly least cost $135, greatest $155, and by the day's end cost $145 a coin, which in a real sense is very huge. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, February 24. Truly least cost $136. Sort of most extreme $156, and toward the day's end cost $146 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. In multi-week BCH to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, February 27. For the most part least cost $134, by and large greatest $154, and by the day's end cost $144 a coin, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Sort of least cost $134, greatest $154, and toward the day's end cost $144 a coin, which is genuinely huge. BCH to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, Walk 1. Most certainly least cost $129, greatest $149, and by the day's end cost $139 a coin. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 2. Truly least cost $126 in every practical sense, greatest $146, and by the day's end cost $136 a coin. BCH to United States dollars expectations on Friday, Walk 3. Especially least cost $123, exceptionally most extreme $141, and by the day's end cost $132 a coin in a significant manner. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, Walk 6. In every practical sense, least cost $127, kind of most extreme $147, and toward the day's end cost $137 a coin in a huge manner. BCH to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, Walk 7. Really least cost $125, greatest $143, and by the day's end cost $134 a coin, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 8. Beautiful least cost $123, especially most extreme $141, and toward the day's end cost $132 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. BCH to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, Walk 9. Essentially least cost $122, greatest $140, and by the day's end cost $131 a coin. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, Walk 10. Least cost $122, truly most extreme $140, and by the day's end cost $131 a coin in a significant manner. In 3 weeks BCH to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, Walk 13. Sort of least cost $122, most extreme $140, and by the day's end cost $131 a coin, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 14. Beautiful least cost $126, greatest $144, and toward the day's end cost $135 a coin. BCH to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, Walk 15. Really least cost $127, most extreme $147, and by the day's end costs $137 a coin, which basically is very critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, walked 16, least cost $123, most extreme $141, and toward the day's end cost $132 a coin in a significant manner. BCH to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walked 17, really least cost $123, essentially most extreme $141, and by the day's end cost $132 a coin. In about a month Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, walked 20, exceptionally least cost $124, genuinely most extreme $142, and by the day's end cost $133 a coin. BCH to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, walked 21, truly least cost $125, sort of most extreme $143, and by the day's end cost $134 a coin. Kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to BCH today in an unpretentious manner. United States dollars to BCH swapping scale especially remained at 74.7272 coins per $10,000 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Today's reach, 74.1125 74.9906, which is very critical. Yesterday's nearby, 74.9625, which is genuinely critical. The change, 0.2353, United States dollars to BCH figure for later, week and month in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Monday, February 20. By the day's end conversion scale 71.942 coins, extremely least 67.114, and genuinely greatest 77.519. Or so they thought. United States dollars to BCH expectations on Tuesday, February 21. By the day's end swapping scale 74.627 coins, truly least 69.930, and extremely greatest 80.000. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, February 22. By the day's end swapping scale 70.423 coins, least 65.789, and greatest 75.758 in an unobtrusive manner. United States dollars to BCH expectations on Thursday, February 23. By the day's end conversion scale, 68.966 coins, essentially least 64.516, and fundamentally most extreme 74.074 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, February 24. By the day's end conversion scale 68.493 coins, certainly least 64.103, and especially most extreme 73.529, which is genuinely huge. In multi-week United States dollars to BCH expectations on Monday.